everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you web browsers that you can install on iOS on your iPhone. Now, some of these will surprise you on what you can get. So, if I go to the top here, you can get Google Chrome, you can get DuckDuckGo, you get Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Opera. Then you can get browsers such as Turbo VPN private browser, and so on. I'm only going to show you the ones that I use and what I know about them. So this is coming from my perspective. So let's do the first one. So I can get Google Chrome. So let's get that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up and we're going to go to google.com and we're going to search for computer related stuff since this is a technical video. Alright, so it's done and we're going to open it up. Google Chrome. And of course you have to accept this and certain things. Alright, so it shows up just like your regular browser. So we're going to do Windows 11. And it shows up just like a normal browser. These are all the Windows 11 stuff that you can get. Alright, so now we are going to download Microsoft Edge. Now, this is a very, very interesting one. Microsoft Edge is a Windows 10 browser. There are two versions. There are version 1, and what you're looking at is version 2. So there is a mobile version, and there's an iOS version, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to install it. And we're going to see how it looks. Now, you're asking yourself, why would you download this on your iPhone? In a business environment, you need certain things on your mobile device to access your network. So if you have obviously 90% of the networks out there are Windows based, you have the capability to access it through Microsoft Edge. Alright, so we're going to open it up. Sign in later. Nope, confirm. I can make it my default browser just like you can in Windows. No thanks. So we're going to do google.com. And there we go. You could see the stuff spinning around. And we're going to search for Windows 11. So if we go up here, this is your history, search, home, voice search, and stuff like that. Settings, and all that. So I'm going to go back to Google Chrome for a little bit so we can see. That's reload incognito tab, which is like a VPN window. Books, reading, recent history, your downloads, excuse me. And what's nice about this is I could have multiple windows. All right, so we're going to go back to Edge. And there we go. So I'm going to close that out. We're going to go back to store there. Now I am going to do a Firefox install. This is private safe browser, for what you need. And I know people who still use Firefox. So we're going to get it. And then I'm going to do Opera next. I use Opera to search and download things. I only use Google for my YouTube, and that's pretty much it. But a web browser is a web browser. You can set it up however you like. So we're going to open it. It wants me to sign up. I am not going to do that. There we go. So this looks like regular Firefox. If I click here, what's nice about this is it has a QR code reader. Now the QR code reader, I'm not going to allow it because we don't need to do it, will let you scan QR codes. And I know I say this in a previous video, QR code stands for Quick Resource Code. It is a hyperlink. So we're going to go to Google. Right, so it's going to come up, same thing. Windows 11. And there we go. That's all you need to know. So we're going to go back. And we are going to download Opera web browser. Now, as I say, I like using this to surf the web. It's pretty easy to use. I like the interface. And when I find a web browser I like, I always try to find a mobile version of it. And I was searching earlier, and I found this. Because since I'm on an iPhone, I use the Safari, but you could use other stuff that you like. So, all right, so we're So while that's downloading, we're going to see what's here. So there is a lot of VPN browsers that you can download. Now this is interesting. There is a desktop version of this. This is Opera GX. This is optimized for gaming. It's a web browser for gaming. And these are all the browsers that you can get. So we'll go back up. There we go. So we're going to open it. And just like the Windows install, you're going to get this. Continue. This is a good thing, so you want that set up. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And we are going to do the Windows 11 thing. There we go. Enter. And it shows up just like a normal web browser. There we go. Alright, so let's do Microsoft Bing search. This is also a search thing. It's from Microsoft. It's basically a VPN browser is what it is in this case. All right, you accept and continue. We're going to exit out. And here we go. So it gives you the weather, home. So we're there. We're going to go to Google. And here we go. It's a Bing search engine. It's Microsoft search engine. And so there we go. And we're at google.com. If I click on that, there we go. This one does not have that feature, but it works. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.